In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start over with Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're refreshing an existing site or starting a new, having a fresh start can invigorate your digital presence. Let's dive into the steps to make this process seamless and effective. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Squarespace. You'll want to navigate to their homepage, a central hub for all site management. Once there, take a moment to sign into your account if you haven't already. Your account is your gateway to all things Squarespace, so having easy access will make this transition smooth. Next, we're going to access your account settings, a crucial step in updating your site. Hover your mouse over your initials in the upper corner, which should reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find Account Settings. Clicking here allows you access to various options, including site management. Now, it's time to select the website you'd like to remove. Have multiple sites? Choose the one you're ready to say goodbye to, then click Remove. Doing so removes the site from your dashboard permanently, so ensure this is the site you no longer need. This step is irreversible, so double-check your decision. Following that, you'll want to click on Create Website. This tool is integral to building a new site. You'll be guided by prompts designed to gather essential details about your new project. These questions are foundational in aiding Squarespace to create a site that aligns with your vision. With those prompts answered, it's time to select a template. Spend some time going through the template gallery. Squarespace offers a plethora of options, each tailored to suit different needs and styles. Picking the right template is essential, as it becomes the framework for your content and overall site presentation. Once you've chosen a template, Squarespace will take a moment to create your site. When it's ready, the next action is to click Edit Site. This opens up a dashboard where you can begin to modify the various elements of your new site. From here, you're free to incorporate your unique style and content to make the website truly yours. Customization is key. Make adjustments to text, colors, images, and layouts until you're satisfied with the look and feel of your site. Even small changes can significantly impact the overall user experience and reflect your brand identity more accurately. Finally, an often overlooked step is to save and publish your work. Be sure not to skip this because it's what renders all your changes visible to the world. Clicking Save ensures all modifications are recorded, while Publish shares your new creation online for the world to see. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can start afresh with Squarespace, ready to showcase your brand, your business, or your personal projects in a way that's uniquely you.